Before we get started writing programs, I'd like to show you a few techniques for moving windows around in the Visual Basic programming environment. One of the first windows you'll want to move is the form window. This is the window that you use to design your user interface, so you want to have plenty of real estate for the form window. You can drag the form window by clicking a selection handle at the lower right-hand corner of the form window and resizing it. This is exactly what you'll want to do when you're creating the exact size of the window that your users will see. If you want to create a window that's bigger than the project window, just simply drag it outside the project window. And when you release the mouse, scroll bars will appear that will let you scroll various parts of your form window. You can also resize the tool windows in the Visual Basic programming environment by clicking slightly above the title bar and dragging downward or upward. In this case, we dragged the project window down, and it gave us a little more space to see properties in the properties window. But if we want to have even more space for the properties window, we can go ahead and double-click the properties window title bar and display the entire properties window. After we've set a few properties, we can send it back by double-clicking the title bar again. This process of displaying a window in its expanded state and in its snapped state is called docking. And we can move windows around the Visual Basic programming environment quite easily by dragging them. Right now I'm dragging the properties window, and you can see a darker border around the properties window. That means that when I release the mouse, the window will appear in its full expanded state. But if I move the window back over some other windows, you'll see that a thin border appears. This means that the window will dock or snap into place when I release the mouse button. Finally, I'd like to show you how you can close windows in the Visual Basic programming environment. To close a window, simply click the Close button in the upper right-hand corner of the Windows title bar. Here I'll close the Properties window. And I'll also close the Project window. Finally, I'll close the Form Layout window. Now you can see we have plenty of space to see our form if that's what we wanted to do. To make the windows appear again, we'll just click those commands on the View menu. We'll click View and go down and click Project Explorer to display the project window. We'll click Properties window to display the Properties window. And we'll click Form Layout window to display the Form Layout window.